To access the IFSI online classroom, open up your browser. Please remember that the online classroom functions best in Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Mac Safari. There are a number of actions and activities that will not work in Microsoft Explorer or Microsoft Edge. So it's highly recommended that you use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari when using the online classroom. Once your browser is open, type in fsi.illinois.edu. And get to the IFSI main page. Once you're on the IFSI main page, in the upper right-hand corner is the Resource Center. If you click that, you can log into the Student and Staff Resource Center. On the left side, enter your driver's license number and your password, and you'll be able to access the Student and Staff Resource Center. Once you're in the Student and Staff Resource Center, on your left-hand side is the online classroom. Scroll down to the course you're taking, whether it is the Basic Operations Firefighter, NFPA Firefighter Blended, or the Basic Operations Firefighter, NFPA Firefighter Mods. Click that, and your online classroom will open up. Once your online classroom has opened up, you'll be able to navigate to all of the pieces and parts for your class.